How to share your Line app profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to share your Line app profile with friends but not sure how to do it, then it's very simple, so let's get started. First of all, open the Line application on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into the account, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and you will come across this page. From here, go to the top right corner and click on the little QR code kinda icon, and you'll see this interface where you'll see your QR code and then your profile link generated. In order to share your profile with anyone, simply go ahead and click on the copy link. And now, once you copy the link in your device's clipboard, you can select your preferred messaging app or your SMS app or even email and paste in the profile link that you just copied. You can also let your friends scan the QR code. Simply go ahead and show the QR code to your friend and ask them to scan it, and then you'll be able to share your QR code with your contacts. You can also directly share your profile link through other applications such as messages or social media. Simply tap on share and then choose any platform such as Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. Or you can also select one of your contacts from your quick contacts section and you'll be able to share them your profile link. So that way you will be able to share your profile with your friends on Line. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.